Why are your metal fixtures rusting in Vancouver's mild climate? That beautiful sea salt air is a 247 chemical assault on your home. It travels up to 25 kilometers inland, cutting the lifespan of your metal fixtures by up to 40. This isn't just ugly, it's an expensive problem. We're talking premature replacements costing homeowners thousands, from $4,000 to $12,000. Don't replace, prevent. Our specialized pressure washing with salt-neutralizing solutions stops corrosion in its tracks, extending the life of your fixtures by 3 to 5 years. Protect your investment. To learn the science behind the damage, read our full blog post linked in the description. Ready to save your fixtures? Call 604 Pressure Washing of Vancouver today.